Now in this video, let us see another kind of problem. The problem is this: if A is twice as efficient as B, if they complete the work in 30 days, find the days required by each to work individually. So what they have given? They have given that A is twice as efficient as B. That means A is equal to 2B. So this is the condition they have given. Let us consider B does X units per day. Then A will do from this 2x units per day. Right? Now we need to consider work, right? So let us consider work done as 90 units. Why I am considering work done as 90 units? This will make our calculations easier. We can take work done as any value, but if we consider work done to be the value which makes our calculations easier, then we will arrive at our solution faster. So let us consider work done as 90 units. So what they have given: in 30 days 90 units of work is done. Then in one day, how many units of work is done? It is nothing but 90 by 30, which is equal to 3 units. So one day work of both combined is 3 units. So A plus B is equal to 3 units. That means x plus 2x equal to 3 units. What is x? X is nothing but 3. X is nothing but 1. So B is equal to 1 unit per day and A is equal to 2 units per day. Now total work is 90 units. Then how many days B will take? B will take 90 days. Then how many days A will take? 45 days. So this is the answer.